Hey, good morning, afternoon, evening. Do I have to remind anybody about the title of this video? Trading is not investing. Investing is not trading. Trading is done. Sorry, investing is done. You're a loser if you own stocks right now. You're a loser. What's bizarre about the market, and I've been saying this for the last 17 years, you buy 5 stocks right now, 4 out of 5 of them will suck, but the market will be all right. Sell those 5, move on to 5 more. 4 out of those 5 will suck, the market will be fine. Do it again. 4 out of 5 will suck. 1 will be a disaster. Maybe 1's a heroic, great trade, but the market will be fine. The market is not stocks anymore. The market is different from stocks. It's because the market seems to stay stable, but most stocks are really, really awful underneath. And you'll never get me to invest in the market ever again. And if I'm going to buy anything, it's going to be Cybercock or the QQQ. The Qs are they're in another world. They just don't go down. Inevitably, they will go down, but I don't know when that's going to happen, nor do I care, because I've never enjoyed trading more so than the moment we're in these last 18 months. And if I had to prove it one more time, Tiger. You want to put your money into an investment in what you believe is the Robin Hood of China. Right. Everything makes sense when you go up every single day, right? The market goes up every day. 9 out of 10 stocks were going up every day of the week. You get convinced that you know what you're doing. And it finally takes a moment where the market, or a few weeks or months that the market, again, the market's not off a lot. We've had stocks that are doing all right, but majority of stocks are awful. Trading is not investing. Investing is not trading. If you like one stock today, it could be the greatest short opportunity of your lifetime 3 days later, like Tiger was today. I don't care that I like this stock. I don't care. This was the greatest short today. And, down 20%, crush it. This market is awful, right? The market is awful, but that doesn't mean trading is awful. If you buy a stock and 8 weeks later, it's the same price, but in between you've had these monster moves, you're a loser as an investor, but the trader had the time of his life, like Baidu today, like Tiger today. Owning stocks is awful. Swing trading right now is terrible. Every day is the complete opposite of the prior day. So how could you get any footing? GME, we came in thinking to short it yesterday. It turned out to be a great long. Today we came in, it was a great long, and then it became a great short. Why? Because it's trading around the VWAP. It really just keeps you focused. And my main focus is never to own a stock ever again. Never, ever will I own a stock. I tried 2 more times. I bought something. I was up nicely on it, Tiger. Bought it at $8, $12.50, $17.50, $23.89. I vowed never to let it go back below $23.89. I sold some at 30 because I just had to, because the stock was up so much. And I vowed never to sell, never to get out of this, never to sell it unless it broke $23.89. But there went $23.89, and I said, you know what? I'm an investor. I'm not supposed to care about these massive swings that these growth stocks have. And then it started to go back below 20. And now you're back below prices that I bought it way back, 3 or 4 months ago. What's the point? Why let it go against you? Dump it. Go find something else to do with your money. The market is awful, terrible. We've had a 13-year bull market. It's about time we go nowhere for a while. And I don't know if we're going to crash, but I'm pretty sure we're done going up. And that's all I'm betting on right now. I'm a seller of premium. I don't know if we're going to crash, but I certainly don't think we're going higher anymore. I think we're going to be in a nice trading range, which makes trading the only thing that you should be doing. So if you got somebody that's trying to tell you what's going to happen 3 months from now or 6 months from now, nobody knows. Why even entertain the idea that you're going to make a valid decision? You have zero reasons to believe you can do it. Nobody can. When the market goes up every day, everybody seems like a genius. Let's see where Cathie Wood is 6 months from now when the market's still going down and she's got redemptions and people start bailing. They'll be calling for her head, and they'll be suing her too, which is going to be funny also. There's going to be class action suits. They were duped. You were duped into believing how great she was. Nobody should be duped into believing anybody is smarter than you personally are, because nobody is. Fundamental analysis has been proved once and for all. If the GameStop has not finally said, here's a stock that has zero value, they rip it to 380, it crashes and it still comes back, it crashes and it still comes back, proving that there really is no fundamental value of any stock. Because if this can do that, and it's great that it's doing this because it's fun to trade and it works, but it also proves what I've been saying. The whole market is smoke and mirrors. It's a casino. Go to the casino go to the market with the same attitude. You're there to have a good time, try to make some money, and we've got something that helps you have the rigging in your favor, opposed to the casino rigging all the games against you. So the VWAP allows you to see the rigging and the language of the market, so they can't rip you off. Only if you decide that you're going to be a victim, like us in the Tiger. We decided, I'm going to ignore what the market and the charts and the VWAP are telling me. We're going to take this moment and we're going to say that we're smarter and more disciplined, whatever word you want to use. We're going to decide right here, even though we had a plan to never let it go down below this price, we're going to forget the plan. We're going to forget the charts. We're going to forget that this is a Chinese company that probably has zero value. We're going to forget all that. We're going to hold it and lose all our money. That's the decision we made. We made that decision. We had that choice, and we made that decision. And look where the stock is now. You chose this. This is what you wanted. Not what I want. I will never own a stock ever again in my life. Ever. I would never recommend anybody to own a stock ever again. I'm a bear. This market needs to go down 40% from here. And then we'll see who's left standing. I'll be left standing.